my kitchen. So today's recipe, we are going to be making baked chicken and onions. So doesn't this look delicious? So I want to thank everybody who watches my videos and all the support that you give the channel. And as always, remember to hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab everything together and let's make some baked chicken and onions. For baked chicken and onions, you're going to need the following: chicken pieces, I'm using legs and thighs, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, Cajun seasoning, olive oil, onion, bay leaves, chicken broth, and butter. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have our chicken in a large mixing bowl, and to this we are going to add roughly, I'd say, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And then now we are going to add in our garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, and Cajun seasoning. And now we're going to give this a good mix. Make sure the chicken gets fully coated with all the spices. And there we go. Now that our chicken is fully coated, we're going to move this over to a Dutch oven. So I have my chicken arranged in my large Dutch oven. So to this, we are going to add in our bay leaves. Then we are going to top them with our sliced onion. I'll let my butter over to the side. We've got our sliced butter here. Then we're going to add in our chicken broth. And we're going to sprinkle in our sliced butter over the top. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cover this and put this in a 350-degree oven and let this go for about 2 hours. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check and make sure our chicken is cooked through and through. So this was cooking for 2 hours. Then we put it under the broiler for an additional 30 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get this served up with some rice. So we've got everything plated up. We've got us some chicken with some of the gravy and rice. So we're going to give this a quick taste. Oh yeah, this is really good. Get a piece of chicken. Oh yeah, this is so good. Y'all are really gonna like this recipe. I'm gonna definitely eat all of this. So I want to thank everyone for watching, and as always, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And as always, remember, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And until next time, y'all have a good day. And I'm finishing this up.